Hi guys, so I highly welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video, I will show you how to make honey coleslaw for your jollof rice, your fried rice, your white rice and stew. So to do this, we need just cabbage and carrot. And for this, I'm going to use just half of this cabbage. So the first thing I do is to remove the outer skins of the cabbage, not cabbage. Then I go ahead and cut into slices. You can use knife for this. You can use any type of slicer or cutter that you have. Just try and get something very fancy, not too big and not too tiny. Next, transfer to a bowl and set aside for washing. The next thing is to peel the dirty skin of our carrots and get them ready for slicing as well. It is always very important to peel the outer skins of your carrots because those parts are always so dirty. You can also use knife to do this if you don't have any of those peelers. Next, wash the carrots and set them aside. Next, wash the cabbage. To wash the cabbage, just add about 1 teaspoon of salt, then add room temperature water and just wash and transfer to a sieve. Don't use hot water to wash your cabbage unless you don't like them crunchy. Also, let me know in the comment section, do you wash your cabbage after cutting or do you just wash them as a whole before cutting? For our carrots, you can either use a grater or a salad shooter or whatever other device or kitchen equipment you have just to get the shape you want. But I'm going to use this salad shooter because it is so easy, fast, and it gives me this very beautiful strands of carrot. Next, transfer the carrot and the cabbage into your mixing bowl and set them aside. Now for the coleslaw dressing, I added about a tablespoon of vinegar. I added about a tablespoon of honey. Next, I added 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I added a squeeze of lemon juice. And I added some black pepper. I mixed everything together. Next, transfer this mixture into your carrot and your cabbage and mix everything together. This coleslaw recipe is just the best. I just hope you try it and let me know in the comment section. You can enjoy this coleslaw with your jollof rice, your Nigerian party jollof rice. You can enjoy it with your fried rice, your coconut rice, your rice and stew, and you can even enjoy it alone. It is so good. I hope you try out this recipe, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay safe and have a happy new year.